everyone else's. Breaking this conditioning requires something like courage.
Yes, let's
Not
go!
the kind of courage, but the quiet, everyday courage of choosing yourself when every cell in your body has been programmed to choose others. Watch what happens in the body when a sensitive soul stops people-pleasing. This is fascinating. For years, maybe decades, their body has been in a constant state of stress. Their nervous system has been processing not just their own emotions, but everyone else's too. They've had headaches, stomach problems, exhaustion that sleep doesn't cure. Their body has been screaming at them to stop, but they kept pushing through because everyone needed them. But when they finally stop, when they finally start saying no, when they finally create boundaries,